Learning objective number 2 is to compute activity rates for an activity-based costing system. That is, we're going to calculate multiple predetermined overhead rates. We're going to take a look at Comtech Corporation that makes DVD players and CD players. We're going to take our total estimated factory overhead of $10 million and slice it into 6 different pools: a labor-related pool, a machine-related pool, a machine setup-related cost pool, production order cost pool, a parts administration cost pool, and then our catch-all of general factory overhead. We're going to take our estimated overhead cost for each one of these pools and divide it by a total estimated level of activity. And again, the total estimated activity for direct labor hours is simply the 100,000 hours that we would expect to work on making DVDs and 400,000 hours that we expect to spend making CDs. The machine-related hours of 1 million is 300,000 are coming from making DVDs, 700,000 for CDs. So again, we're given our estimated cost for each one of our cost pools and our estimated activity levels for each one of our cost pools. Calculating our activity rates or predetermined overhead rates is a very simple process. Again, we simply take our estimated overhead cost, divide it by our estimated activity level. So $800,000 in direct labor related overhead divided by 500,000 direct labor hours gives us a predetermined overhead rate, or simply activity rate, of $1.60 per direct labor hour. We'll take our machine-related cost of $2.1 million, divide it by our 1 million estimated machine hours to get an activity rate of $2.10 per machine hour. Machine setup-related overhead cost of $1.6 million, we'll divide it by the number of setups we expect to incur in the coming period and get a predetermined overhead rate or an activity rate of $400 per setup. We'll do the same thing with production orders, for parts, and for general factory overhead.